Hello everyone. For today's lesson, I will share 4 very simple survival skills that anyone can learn. These are useful when you are outdoors, especially if you get lost or stuck. First, making a shelter. This protects you from the sun, rain, and wind. It keeps you safe and comfortable. Maghanap ng matitibay na sanga o kahoy. Isandal ito sa puno o malaking bato para hindi bumagsak. Takpan ng maraming tuyong dahon o damo para hindi tumagos ang ulan o init. Siguraduhing matibay at kasya ka ng maayos sa loob. Second, water. You can only live for 3 days without water, so this is very important. Maghanap ng dumadaloy na tubig tulad ng sapa o tubig ulan sa malalaking dahon. Huwag uminom ng tubig na hindi gumagalaw o mukhang marumi. Para luminis, salain mo na gamit ang malinis na tela, buhangin at maliit na bato para matanggal ang putik. Kung may apoy, pakuluan ito ng 5 minuto bago inumin. Huwag na huwag iinom kung mabaho o kakaiba ang kulay, baka magkasakit ka. Third, making fire. Fire gives you warmth, help you cook, and let rescuers who know where you are. Mag-ipon muna ng tuyong dahon at maliliit na sanga. Ito ang mabilis magliyab. Kapag may apoy naman, dahan-dahang magdagdag ng mas malalaking kahoy. Pwede kang gumamit ng posporo o lighter kung mayroon ka. Kung wala naman, gamitin mo yung sikat ng araw at salamin para painitin ang tuyong dahon hanggang umapoy. Ilagay ang apoy sa lugar na malayo sa mga puno at dumuhan para hindi kumalat ang sunog. Pagkatapos na maggamitin nito, patayin ng lubos, gamitin ang tubig o lupa. Fourth, finding directions. This help you walk the right way so you won't get lost longer. Ang araw ay sumisikat sa silangan at lumulubog sa kanluran. Sa tanghali naman, nasa gawing timog ang araw. Dito sa Pilipinas, paraan gamit ang patpat. Tusukin ang patpat sa lupa, lagyan ng marka ang dulo ng anino. Maghintayin ng 10 to 15 minutes at markahan muli. Ang guhit sa pagitan nito ay tumuturo sa silangan at kanluran. Ang mga puno ay karaniwang mas maraming dahon sa gawing timog dahil mas natatamaan ito ng araw. And that brings us to the end of our presentation. Today, I shared with you 4 very basic but important outdoor survival skills. Making a simple shelter, finding and cleaning safe drinking water, starting fire properly and safely, and knowing how to find your direction even without a compass. These skills are not just for adventure. They are knowledge that can truly save your life and the lives of others if you ever find yourself in an unexpected and difficult situation outdoors. You don't need fancy tools or expensive gears. You just need to use what nature provides and remember these simple steps. But before we finish, let me leave you with this very important reminder. First, always be prepared. Before going anywhere outdoors, tell someone where you are going and when you will be back. It is much better to be ready and not need these skills than to need them and not knowing what to do. Second, safety. Always come first. Do not practice these skills alone, especially making fire. Always have an adult or a responsible person with you. Do not make fire in prohibited areas and never leave fire unattended. Third, respect nature. Do not cut down living trees or destroy plants unnecessarily. Use only dry and fallen materials and always leave the place clean and undamaged after you. I hope you learned something useful and interesting today. Remember, being smart and prepared is the best way to stay safe outdoors. Thank you for watching and listening.